In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present Canva in Google Meet and maximize your presentation. Let's dive right in and get you set up for a seamless and engaging experience. First, we're kicking things off by heading over to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Meet website. This is your starting point for every meeting you'll be hosting or joining. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's straightforward and user-friendly, which is exactly what you want when you're about to host an important presentation. Now direct your attention to the option that says New Meeting. This button is prominently displayed to help you quickly set up a session. Clicking on it triggers a drop-down menu with a few different options tailored to your needs. Out of these options, you'll want to select Start an Instant Meeting. By choosing this, you're able to launch a meeting on the spot without any unnecessary delay. It's a fantastic feature that allows you to be spontaneous while keeping things professional. With your meeting now active, it's time to turn your focus to the bottom interface of the Google Meet window. Here you'll find the Present Now button. This tool is the gateway to sharing your screen with the meeting attendees. Clicking on it opens up a menu where you have the flexibility to choose what exactly you want to present. Options typically include your entire screen, a specific window, or just a tab. For a smooth presentation experience, you might prefer to select a particular tab. It's less disruptive and keeps the focus exactly where you want it. Next, we're ready to move forward by initiating the sharing process, so go ahead and click on the Share button. This action is crucial as it commits your selection and enables everyone in the meeting to view the content you're ready to showcase. Ensure you're comfortable with what you're sharing and adjust any tabs or applications accordingly before proceeding. When that's settled, it's time to specifically select the Canva tab that you've prepared beforehand. You should have your Canva presentation ready to go, ensuring that all your slides and visual elements are exactly how you envisioned them for your audience. Picking the correct tab ensures there's no hiccup between transitioning and showing your well-crafted content. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up your Canva presentation to be displayed in a Google Meet session. By following these steps, you can confidently take control of your online presentation, keeping all eyes on your engaging content. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to go through these steps a few times to get used to the flow. Thank you for joining in today, and happy presenting.